Somewhere there's a ship out in the Caribbean, and people are laughing and playing on a warm, sunny beach and getting on a nice catamaran and going snorkeling. Look at this. Look how heavy it's on the tree. It's almost weighing the tree down. If it snowed like this on the cruise ship, would my room steward come out and shovel my balcony for us? Oh, this is terrible. These guys have help. They got a whole truckload of people coming to plow them out. Look at this. You can hardly see my mailbox. It's almost full. And the worst thing is a dumb snowplow is going to come back in and push all the stuff onto the street back into my driveway, probably in about an hour. Look at my driveway. I just finished this dumb thing. I need a shovel all over again. Here we are in the backyard. You may ask, what the heck are you doing out in the backyard on a day like this? Well, let me tell you. I have to shovel the path so the dogs could go outside. Hey, have you ever tried going to the bathroom and snow up to your... Okay, so here I am. I'm all done. I even shoveled the deck off so the dogs could go through. They could go down the stairs. They could run around the backyard with all the snow. See, there's a little trail around the tree so a little dog won't have to walk in snow above his head. So now I'm going to go back inside and warm up and get cleaned off, because in about 2 hours this is all going to be covered with another 3 inches of wet, heavy snow, and I'll get to do it all again. So for now, I'm going to go back in and just dream of that nice warm cruise boat sailing someplace in the Caribbean, and knowing that in about 6 weeks I'll be on it.